Look at this amazing boot. It has low heels and it's amazing. It's gorgeous. It's velvet. And it has a buckle from here and it has a buckle on top. They are very, very stylish. Look how gorgeous they are. And you can wear them on jeans and you can wear them with a skirt. Let me show you. You can style them something like this. And then you can put your jeans down. They are very, very comfortable and bendable. Look how beautiful. You can wear them with a skirt or the dress. You can wear them as dressy boots. They look very stylish. Look how beautiful and very comfortable. Hmm.